everybody, Amanda here, and today we are going to be making some strawberry lemonade soap. The first step of this melt and pour project is to create the strawberry embeds. We're adding poppy seeds to give the strawberry look and pouring that into the heart silicone mold. This will need about 30 minutes to cool, and then it's time to make the stem. Here I've added green colorant to white melt and pour soap, and then this is also poured into the heart silicone mold. Both the green and red soap get cut so they fit into the 4-inch silicone mold. Slice off the top curved portion of the heart, and this creates a little triangle that will become our strawberry stem. Now that we have our strawberry embed pieces, it's time to create the light pink soap that will be the base. We're adding lemonade stand fragrance oil and strawberry extract to the soap to give it some extra skin-loving properties. Then the strawberry embed pieces are layered into the 4-inch silicone mold. You can find all the ingredients and a step-by-step recipe for this project at brambleberry.com.